Hi everybody, this is Annette. Welcome back to my channel one more time. I thank you for everybody. I thank everybody who has stayed tuned and has been watching my videos and just supporting my channel and giving a thumbs up and leaving comments down below. I am just absolutely thankful for that and blessed that this 2020, besides everything else that has been going on, has been a blessing because you guys have stayed tuned. Okay, you guys, I'm back. And here's the thing. I sold my old house. I purchased a new one. I'm still moving. As you can see, look at all these items back here. I'm still trying to stock things. They still have the labels from so these don't have the label, but some of these do. I had to remove those labels and relabel all of this. Okay. I have my jewelry stuff on this side. Let me see if I can turn the camera around a little bit so you can see. I have my jewelry stuff right here. And today what we're going to talk about is this Cricut maker that's right here. I'm so excited, and I have the Easy Press over there. So I just cannot wait to share these things with you guys. Okay, I'm going to move the camera again, but here's the deal. I have been out for months, okay? I have a giveaway still pending for you guys, which I am doing. And I'm going to show you because I'm not lying. I'm going to show you. Look, I have... and I'm sorry I'm standing up, but I have had this packet right here. It says giveaway. Okay, it says giveaway because I am giving you guys the giveaway. But because I have been getting additional things on online because of this COVID, I've been, staying at home and stuff. I've gathered more things than this bag. So I am going to do a giveaway. Please be patient with me. I will do it. But today's video is different. It's a lot. I should have done a blog just to tell you guys everything that's been going on. But today I thought I would just ramp it up and show you guys I'm still moving. I'm still packing. I'm still doing things here. As you can see, I love my jewelry right here. I love sewing and I love doing other crafts. But the important thing is I discovered through watching so many videos and staying at home that there's a lot of people who are using these Cricut makers. And the Easy Press is to do like shirts like this, that they have little designs and things like that. I might be last on the bandwagon, and I might be the last person on earth who just realized that Cricut creates these fabulous products. But let me tell you, I purchased this during Black Friday, and all I could think about is all the different jewelry things I can create and all the tutorials I can come up with using the Cricut maker. The Cricut maker, to me, as I saw it, it wasn't only just about creating designs for labels or shirts or hats or things like that, but it can also do and create jewelry. They have patterns for that, which is wonderful. I can create my own pattern if I'm using a cardstock, if I'm using wood, because it does balsa wood, it does paper, sewing materials. This machine can cut, it engraves. I mean, you can do so many things. So I wanted to share that with you, and I want you all to leave me your comments down below. Do you have a Cricut maker? Can you share with me any other spaces you like to go to get patterns for the different designs and things you do? Plus, selfishly, I became a grandmother for the third time, and I want to create little things for my grandchildren. So Cricut Maker works great for that. So if you guys want to leave me your comments down below, do you have a Cricut Maker? What's the space that you go to? Or do you use the Cricut space to just get your patterns from there? Do you know of anybody who has patterns, free patterns that we can download and use? Would you like to see videos on how to create jewelry or DIY things at the house for the home lifestyle and decoration with the Cricut maker? Would you like me to incorporate that? Let me know. Give me your comments down below. I am here to do whatever you guys ask me you want to see. Okay, let me show you and let me unbox it. I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm just going to show you right here because, I love to edit my videos, but if I can keep it simple, the better. It comes in this awesome box. And I am going to pull the camera down, shift it down so you guys can see. This is the Cricut maker. It opens right here. I literally have not opened this, but just to make sure that it was, you know, nothing was missing. So I'm gonna open it right here. Let's see this. So it has a let's get started box right here. Okay, and this has, let's see what this has. It says materials for your first project. So this allows us to do a material for project for the first time. It is sealed. As you can see, I haven't even opened any of this. It comes with, I guess, additional items for me to use for the machine, because it has like different, like a sewing machine, you can use different needles for it. This has different points or whatever you want to call them. I have no clue what you call them, but I'm going to learn the lingo on this. Okay, it says open me first right here. What is this for? This says, it says unleash this beauty, get connected, make a little something, bookmark this page. So it's going to give me step-by-steps on what and how I need to connect to the internet so I can get the machine working. So that's pretty cool that it has that. It says welcome tutorials, okay, on help.cricut.com, which is good to have. Let me see if I can put this a little bit higher. There you go. It says instructional official Cricut YouTube channel. So they have an official channel. If you need support, you can email them, or if you need to chat with somebody, you can do that. That is a pretty cool thing to have. Then it says Cricut Maker, and this is probably my book. That is pretty cool. Look at this. I mean, I'm opening this for the first time. I don't know what this has. You know what I do love? You see that champagne color? That's exactly the color of the machine I purchased. It gives you all the things. See, all the information on your machine. That is so cool. What else? Oh, it just tells you about the projects that you can do and things like that. It tells you about the design space. They have a design space. Okay, you go on your computer and you do that. This is so cool. Okay, so we know there's a magazine and it's going to show you everything. Okay, what else is here? Oh, here's the connection. Okay, so this is a Cricut rotary blade cap. I'm assuming this is the rotary blade. So this is the cap, because you have other ones in the machine. And if you do have other ones, then I'm assuming so you don't cut yourself or something, just for safekeeping, this is good. It also comes with a black ink, or I don't know what you call this, but this is like a pen, because when you're doing cardstock, you can create a design and you put this in the machine and it does that. I've seen those videos for sure. And then you have your connection for your machine, and I believe this is a USB. Yeah, if you need to connect to your computer, it brings you the cable. This is great. You don't need anything but to open this box, and it even offers you materials right here to do that. It has a warranty statement, so make sure you keep all that. I'm going to put everything back in here, which I don't know how this was, but I'm just going to put it back in here so I can open the actual box. Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Okay. And I can open that later on, but I just want, oh, well, let's open it right now. So I really just want to show you guys what this has. Let's see. Is it still recording? Yes. Oh, I'm breaking this thing. Okay, there we go. So this brings, it has what? Okay, so you have a blue cardstock and a white cardstock. And I'm assuming this is the materials you need for your first project. How are we going to know what that project is? I guess I have to follow the steps, because it says for that other one, I have to go online. This one, and it says exactly what I need to do first. So I got to follow that. Okay, let's do this right here. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get used to this space. And we will figure it out. I may have a table so I can do some little show and tells, but right now, let's just do that. Okay, I'm gonna lift my tripod up, and I'm gonna come back with a different angle. So hold on. I'm hoping you guys can see better. Okay, so this comes very protected. It has something here. I'm gonna put this back here. And it has, oh, it comes with 2 mats. These are the mats that you're gonna need for the machine. And this one says it's a fabric grip right here. And this one just says it's a light grip. I did purchase separate mats because while I was looking at the videos online, the mats work for different materials and different things. So I'm impatient. I don't have too much patience for anything. And I like to have everything on hand just in case my creative juices work. And that day I want to go, then that's what I do. But this is nice that it brings you this. So I'm going to put this aside. Okay. And in here, it has the Cricut. It has a little sticker. Let's just, oh, how pretty and shiny. Okay, let's see here. It says Cricut Maker. Look at this. Wow. And you know what? This is all plastic. See, this is all covered. That way it protects it. I like that. But the machine at the bottom there has a couple of other things. So I'm going to put this machine right here. And I'm going to remove this. I love these unboxings. And I have my electrical cord here, which I'm going to use. And then that's it. There's nothing else. So I am going to put all this back in here. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to put this back in here. And let's put this box down. This is what I was trying to show you, which I couldn't explain, but let me see if I can show you right here. Okay, this machine brings a premium fine point blade already in the machine. It's included in the box. Then it has the rotary blade, which we saw, I'll show you there. And then it has a fine point pin. Okay, that's included. You can purchase additional items for it, additional tools, depending on the project of what you're doing, then that's what you're going to get. This one has a knife blade, a scoring wheel, and what is this? A double scoring wheel. But I know they have embossing, they have like a little knife. I mean, they have different things. They have different markers, thicknesses, depending on the type of lettering you want to do. Okay, so this has a plastic right here, which I'm going to have to like cut or something. So let me do that. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's like opening a new toy. This is awesome. Okay. Some people may find this boring, but I don't, because you know what? You spend so much money on something, you really want to take advantage of creating and doing as much as possible. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. Wow, this is really pretty. This is like a champagne, like a rose gold color. And it actually should be named, I think this is the champagne color that they say, but it's like a rose gold. Okay, so I'm going to open it here. Oh, look at that. Oh, fancy. That's awesome. And it has like little plastic protection here. I'm going to take that off. I removed it from there. Okay, so this is your blade that it has, and this is where you put your pin. And it has a compartment down here to where you can store your things, as well as on the side right here, which is pretty nice. I wonder if it fits some scissors. Oh, it does. This is awesome. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, and you know, the Cricut has their own tools and things like that, which I'm going to get eventually because I don't have any of that. But this is pretty cool that it has that. And then I wonder, okay, so I close this right here or not. Can I close it? Oh, it clicks there. And this closes right here. I wonder if, I mean, this is kind of, it's very, you just touch it one time and it does it automatically. Yes, it does. Oh, wow. Am I opening this right? I don't want to break it, but anyway, here are all the buttons, and I'm just going to go online and check how this works, but I just wanted to show you guys my new baby. Okay, you know what I like? I like it has this cradle right here to put your cell phone or your iPad. So it reclines right here, and then it makes the connection, and it has the USB connection on this side because I just saw it right here. And then you can plug it in on the back for the plugs. So let's do that. I don't know how to do this right, and I hope I'm not damaging anything. See how yeah. Okay, let me show you. There's your USB, and here are your plugs for the back. There you go. Okay. This is what it looks like from the back, and I'm just shocked that I can open this or touch it and it opens. That's so pretty. So pretty. I love it that it has a design right there. Very cool. Okay, I am going to absolutely love this machine and try to do as many creations as I can. Sorry, I'm going to move the camera really quick. Okay, you guys, I am back. So it's a gorgeous machine. I cannot wait. So I want to show you a couple of additional things I purchased to test the machine because I didn't know it had this little sample in here that you can do. I had no clue. So I went out and purchased some transfer tape because we're going to need some transfer tape, which hopefully, I mean, it didn't come in the packet there because I guess we're just doing a card stock for like cards. But I bought that one. I bought this one, and let me tell you, this is clear, and this one is just a 12 by 12. I think this is just sheets for 12 by 12. This is another one. It's called a premium vinyl holographic sheet, and it's a cherry. It's called cherry, and look how pretty. It says cherry, but let me tell you, I bought it for Christmas because it's red. Then I have a black one or gray one. I have a pink one because I love pink, and I have a basic black one. So I bought these just as a precaution because I didn't know if it had it or not from Walmart. Some of them were $5.98. Some of them were $8. Some of them were $9. So, and the transfer tape was, I think, like $5 or something like that. But these will be great if you know of any place that has them cheaper or whatever. If you can leave me the comments down below, that way I can definitely just order from there from now on. So, okay, you guys, this is it for the video. I just wanted to show you an unboxing of the actual Cricut. I'm excited. I'm excited to come back and to see you guys in future videos. Until next time, God bless.